by the weirdest freaking place. Did I ever tell you about that?
I don't know. Tell me.
I was out on the edge of California, Arizona. I broke down. Weird place. A bunch of streakers went flying by me, walking, running. You know, streaking.
Yeah.
I go, must have been here a while. I better call dispatch because many moons have passed.
No, you've never told me that before. Thank God.
Oh, come on, that was cute. Yeah, I was making that up as I was telling you.
Were
Give me
you?
a break.
Well, then that's pretty good, I guess, if you're making it up as you went along.
Ad-libbing there.
Anteater. He's a no-show, huh?
He's up there.
Oh, there he is.
On the bar. Sniffing things out.
Looking for ants. We should get one and take it home with us.
Yeah, we got tons of ants, yeah. Oh, is he cute? What the heck are they? Binturong.
Binturong.
He missed the brown spot.
Binturong.
Oh,
He's cleaning his brown spot, huh?
yeah, I think you got it.
Oh, look at that cute little face. Ooh, it's like a roller coaster ride. Ah, beautiful swamp.
What takes up to 5 years?
500 years to decompose.
Twinkies.
Plastic bags. Pop can. 100 years.
Twinkies.
Cardboard. A can.
I know you're done this.
1,000 years.
I'm thinking Twinkies.
Plastic bag.
Oh.
It was plastic.
Yeah, that was a tin, too.
That's gotta be a Twinkie.
That's a rubber tire. Rubber. What
No,
is it?
It's not a Twinkie.
Glass?
Yeah.
I don't want to play
5,000
anymore.
years. Well, put it this way, we know it all takes frickin' forever to decompose.
Yeah, let's try to avoid throwing those out there.
Good. This thing ain't changed at all, dude.
No, it's still pretty. Woo! Gonna fall off this thing. Black swans are those?
Yeah, look at they nodded their head in agreement.
Yeah. Whoop. And these guys, all they do is lay. That one, he's just laying there like he's dead.
Get rid of you one way or the other. His ears perk up, but nothing else moves.
I found my spirit animal.
Yeah. Moves about as slow as you do.
Yeah, well that's an accomplishment.
Aw, look at little fawns hiding in the grass. Leopold.
That's quite a haircut.
Yeah.
Looks like he practices law in England.
He's scratching himself.
Look at what is he doing?
That's not a
You
dust.
can tell that one was in the army.
Maybe they make that noise at feeding time.
Oh,
Well, the other one should be
see
moving.
that.
Just too cute.
So that looks like the mama dog, man. That cat.
Visiting zoos is hard for me as I look into the faces of these captive animals. They seem so sad, as if they have given up on life and are merely existing behind the bars of the cages. They have no purpose, no drive as they would in the wild, just endless days of sleeping and eating. I must constantly remind myself that zoos and aquariums do have benefits. They offer conservation, education, and research programs that are formulated to preserve and protect wild animals as well as to educate the public about the threats that face them. So because of this, please consider visiting and donating to your local or other zoo, so hopefully these animals will not have lost their spirit and freedom in vain.
I'm a cute guy, huh? You are real, aren't you?
Twisted
What?
necks, yeah.
That's with their legs.
That's how they sit.
Oh my god.
Yeah, they just
They stand up too.
Is that weird?
right
I
angles, huh?
never saw that before.
Now you know.
Looks like they're broken.
Yeah, no shit, huh?
Boy, is that ever a pretty
I suggest
color?
not trying that in real life. Or, yeah, trying that yourself.
Come on, screamer, scream. Ah, Dusty. He's almost as cute as you.
Hey, little guy. Good thing they're curious, huh?
Yeah.
The baby one? Oh, they're cute. Yeah, the baby one. Where's the baby monkey at? Where's the mama monkey? Oh, that's the dad. There's the dad.
Okay, which one of you guys is Chili Willy?
Hmm.
I mean, me can't see because.
I think we got
Oh, there we go.
Spartacus kind of thing here. Oh,
There's gonna be something on this film that you ain't gonna recognize until you watch
they're
it.
out and in, right?
Shadow puppet, huh?
Just shat itself.
Which one?
The one right there.
Oh, did he?
See the
Oh.
Shadow,
stream of white behind him?
shadow.
Look right at you, not act like you're doing anything wrong. They like their shade, huh? I can't say I'm blaming them.
Yeah, that's for sure. I'm sorry, we don't have no food.
That one on top's moving pretty quick. See him?
Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty.